Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you all are doing well. In this video, I'm going to do 90s style inspired nail art. So without any delay, let's start with my today's video and make sure to watch till the end to see my nail art inspiration. So I'm starting off my manicure with base coat to protect my nails from staining. As base polish, I'm using beach polish on all of my nails except pinky. Then I'm applying a quick drying top coat to smooth the surface because I'm going to use striping tape for today's nail art. Using striping tape, I have sectioned my nail vertically where I am applying this dark green nail polish at the right side of my nail. Now I am adding a thick line using this brick red polish close to green polish, then I am filling those gaps using a toothpick. Now over green polish, I am applying a thin line using white nail polish. In today's video, I am going to give you a nail art lesson. And that is, whenever you use tape, striping tape or nail vinyl for your nail art, never use peel off base coat underneath, or else this will happen. Can you imagine how stupid I am that I almost forgot that striping tape could peel off my nail art, peel off my manicure if I use peel off base coat underneath. But somehow I managed to fix it afterwards. Then I continued my nail art where I am doing jeans at the tip of my nail. I'm done with drawing jeans at the tip of my nail, added a black line and add a gold ring over black line to resemble belt. I'm going to draw denim on my pinky. I'm starting by applying 2 coats of blue nail polish. Over blue polish, I am dabbing 2 different shades of blue and white nail polish. Then I am adding white stitches using white polish. I have used that striping tape to keep the line parallel. To add depth, I have applied dark blue nail polish in between the stitches. Finally, finishing off my manicure with a glossy top coat to make my manicure long lasting and to give it a beautiful shine. So that's all for today's video. Oh wait, I forgot to show my nail art inspiration. So here is my nail art inspiration. So that's all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you do, then make sure to give this video a thumbs up, share my video with your friends and subscribe to my YouTube channel to never miss any upload. See you in my next video. Bye bye.